Guys, welcome to another how-to video. In today's video, real time, I would like to share with you guys how to fix a tire. This is my attempt at fixing a tire. This is my spare wheel on my Nissan 1400. I don't like driving without a spare wheel. I was checking that. It takes about 2 days to deflate. And then I dipped it in some water and I found that there is a puncture. And I marked it. So, I found in my toolbox these items here, and I've seen at the tire shops they use these. So without any knowledge, just from seeing over the years the guys do it, I'm gonna try it myself. So yeah, we're gonna try it out. First do like a parallel to make it bigger. Let's see. One bus, eh? Oh! What did I just do? Oh shit! Oh, and I think you need pressure to get one of these through, or one of these switches out. I'm assuming this thing is webbed. Jeez, how do you get this thing through? Huh? You thread it through. Okay, wait a bit. There we thread it. As you guys can see here, I don't know if this is the proper way. Halfway, and then we're gonna insert it. Come now, go. The circle bigger. Yeah, come now. Okay, so that went in, and now I must remove it. I think I got it right. Holy shit, I think I actually got it right. What do you guys think? Was that done the proper way? I don't hear any more leaks. Let's see. We spray some water on here. And now. Oh shit! It worked! It worked! But then, I don't know what the stool is called. Yeah, it's seen better days. But it worked. I don't know if we're supposed to do that. Please leave a comment down below. This is rather cheap. I bought it from like the 5 rand store. But there you guys go. So it worked. I just always wanted to do it just in case. Always wanted to do it just in case I'm stranded somewhere and there ain't a shop nearby. At least I'm today years old and I officially learned how to use the Puncture Kit. Is that what it's called? But nonetheless, hope you guys enjoyed that DIY video. Please click on the like, press like, click on the subscribe button and the notification thing. Yeah, the man is out, I'm getting old, young. Same guys, peace. DIY how to fix a puncture.